everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and I love doing DIY, making clothes in a simply but pretty way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the next episode of my dating wardrobe series. It's the dinner day. When it comes to this day, I want to wear something that looks chic at the front but wow at the back. That's why this dress is just the perfect pick for me. It have the cutout design at the front and two sides of the waist, so it makes your waist look smaller. However, the cutout is not too much, so the front of the dress it still looks so chic. But the open back design brings the sexy and the wow feeling for the back of the dress. That's why I really hope you guys gonna like this DIY and try it out. And let's get started. The first step is making the pattern for the dress. To make the front pattern, I draw a horizontal line and a straight line cutting each other at one point first. From the straight line, I make another one 20 cm away from it. It's the width from above to below my breast. After that, I draw another straight line in the middle between them. The width of the first straight line will be 13 cm, which is 1.3 times a half of my inside shoulder where the shoulder strap will be. The width of the third straight line will be 25 cm, which is a quarter of my bust size plus 4 cm. I connect two ends of the first and the third straight line together first. Based on this line, I draw a slightly curved line to finish the sleeve line of the front pattern. From the end of the sleeve line, I draw a horizontal line with 3 cm and parallel with the first horizontal line. Then drawing a straight line from the end of this horizontal line to cut the first one. Based on the first straight line, I keep making another one 28 cm away from it. It's the length from above my breast to 3 cm above my belly button. I make a mark at 17 cm on this new line, which is a quarter of my waist size plus 1 cm. I also make another mark at 13 cm on the second straight line. It's a quarter of my waist size minus 3 cm. Then connect this mark to the one I just made before that and to the end of the second horizontal line. Based on these new lines, I draw a slightly curved line to finish the cutting line of the front pattern. From the last straight line, I keep making another one 32 cm away from it. It's the width from 3 cm above my belly button to the biggest part of my butt. It's also a quarter of my hip size plus 1/10 my hip size. On this line, I mark at 24 cm, which is a quarter of my hip size plus 1 cm. Then connect this mark to the mark on the straight line next to it to create the side line of the front pattern. I keep making the last straight line at 100 cm away from the first straight line. It's the ending line of the dress and also the length of the dress that I want. Then I continue the side line I just made before that to meet the ending line to finish the side line of the front pattern. From the end of the side line, I mark up 1.5 cm, then connect this mark to the other end of the ending line. Based on this line, I draw a slightly curved line to finish the ending line of the front pattern. I add 1 cm for seam allowance at the sleeve line, the cutting line and the side line. I add 2 cm for seam allowance at the top line and the horizontal line, and 3 cm seam allowance for the ending line. And here's the front pattern of the dress after cutting. To make the back pattern, I draw a horizontal line at 5 cm from the edge of the baber. It's the gap between a quarter of my bust size minus a quarter of my waist size and plus 1 cm. Then I apply the front pattern to this horizontal line and draw along. Because it will be the open back design for this dress, so I just skip the pattern from the waistline to the end. I redraw the waistline at the back pattern a bit and continue it to the edge of the baber. And we will have the back pattern of the dress after cutting. Now let's start making this dress. I use 1.2 meters of mixed spandex and cotton fabric for the main part of the dress and 1.2 meter of soft chiffon fabric for the lining part. Remember to cut the pattern in faux fabric. After cutting, I connect the front and the back of the dress together at two sides and sewing. At the end of the dress, I draw a line 6 cm above it. After that, I fold the end fabric inside 1 cm first, then keep folding it to the line just drew before and sew them together to finish the ending line of the dress. And here's the dress after sewing. Doing the same way to make the lining part of the dress. However, make it 2 cm shorter than the main part. After that, I connect the main part and the lining part together at the top of the dress, from the sleeve line to the cutting line to the waistline at the back. After sewing, I make a few small cuts at the curved line before turning them inside out. You can iron it after that to keep the seam from moving and make it nicer. I will have the elastic band from the cutting part to the back of the dress, so I measure the width of the elastic band to create a fabric hole there. After sewing, I cut a 42 cm elastic band, which is a half of my waist size, plus the gap between a half of my bust size and a half of my waist size. After putting the elastic band through the fabric hole, I sew 2 ends of the elastic band to 2 ends of the fabric hole to keep them from moving. At the top of the dress, I draw a line 4 cm under it first. Then keep folding it to the line just drew before and sew them together to create a fabric hole. Doing the same for 2 sides of the underarm bit as well. I cut a long fabric with 5 cm width, which is 2 times the width of the strap that I want, plus 2 cm for seam allowance, and around 80 cm length, which is the length of the strap that I want. I sew 2 length lines of the fabric together first, then I turn it inside out to hide on the seam inside later. Now I just need to put the strap through the fabric hole at the top to 2 sides, the underarm big one, and meet each other at the middle of the back. And I finished this DIY. Here's my final result. This dress is exactly what I wanted. It looks chic at the front and wild at the back. perfect for a dinner day outfit. I hope you will try it out. See you next week.